Have you ever wondered if you could create images that stay perfectly consistent across images and videos as they step out of your imagination and into reality? What if a single tool could do that, all from just text and pictures? But wait, there is a twist. This is not just any tool. It unlocks the potential of the Kling 1.5 and Minimax Halo models, pushing creativity to new heights. Are you curious to see how this tool transforms imagination into reality? Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. So, without further ado, let's get started. Stylar AI has rebranded as Dzine, which now features updated image generation and editing tools. You can explore all its features, but for this video, we will focus on consistent image generation and video creation. Sign up for an account using your email. You can try its premium plan free for 7 days. Just use the link in the description below. You can explore all the available subscription plans. If you are a student, you can use your educational email to avail of a 70% discount. With the free plan, you can only generate images. Here, you can see all the benefits of each plan. Click on this button to go to the dashboard of this tool. Here you can see all the available tools and styles. Click on this button to start a new project. Change the name of this project. Here, we have different aspect ratios to choose from. You can even go with custom dimensions as well. However, I will choose this landscape ratio to generate the images and videos. First, we will generate the prompt text. For this purpose, I will use ChatGPT. In ChatGPT, I will paste this text to generate 3D cartoon-style short video ideas. Click on this button and wait for the generation to complete. Here we have the video ideas. You can ask for more specific story-based ideas. I have asked for adventure-based videos. And here we have the video ideas. Let's copy this text and paste it here. Now I will paste this text to generate the story with shots, scenes, and different camera settings. Press the Enter button for the generation. Here, we have the main character and a complete story breakdown. We will use these keywords in each prompt to generate consistent characters. Write down this text prompt. And paste this text prompt. Hit the Enter button for a generation. ChatGPT has started generating the images. Let's copy the prompt again and adjust this text to only get the prompt text. Here we have the text prompts for each scene shot. We will use these prompts to generate the images and videos. Copy the first text prompt and paste it here. Click here to choose the styles. Here we have lots of styles to choose from. Almost all types of styles are available here. For the sake of this video, I will go with a 3D style and choose this first option. You can also fix the seed from these advanced options. Click on the Generate button and wait for a couple of seconds. Here we have the images. By default, you will get 2 images per generation. Both the images look great. With the free plan, you have only these options to download your generations with a watermark. Now copy the second prompt text and paste it here. Click on the Generate button, keeping all the settings the same. Here we have the result. You can observe the character consistency with this image. Again, I will copy the third prompt text and paste it here. Here we have the images based on our story scenes. By following this procedure, I will generate all the images. Here we have the final images. You can observe that our character remains consistent through the images. You can also adjust the prompt text for better generations. With a paid subscription, you can download your images in PNG and SVG formats. Also, you can upscale your pictures up to 4 times. Let's download the image in JPG format with 4 times upscale. Here we have the final output image. Apart from prompt-based image generation, we can use the consistent character feature to train and generate coherent images. Go to the dashboard of this tool and scroll down a little. Click on the consistent character option to be directed to this screen. By clicking on this option, you will see some pre-designed characters. Let's choose the first character. Here we have a prompt to describe the character. At the bottom, you have some options for the character's actions. Let's say the character is dancing. Here, you can see a detailed text prompt is generated. By clicking on this button, you can get more ideas as well, but I will go with this one. Let's choose the landscape aspect ratio from this list. Click on the Generate button and wait for a few minutes. Here, we have the final images. These images look great. You can also generate more variations of this image. Additionally, you can upscale and enhance the image by choosing these options. Let's choose this soccer option to generate another image. Here, we have the result. You can observe the character consistency in the image. Let's try our previous text prompt that we generated with ChatGPT here. And here, we have amazing and consistent character images. Let's test another text prompt. You can observe that the character remains consistent. Now, let's train our custom character by clicking on this button. Here, we need to upload some images. For instance, I am uploading the previously generated images. Make sure to add the maximum number of images for better results. Let's give it a name. Click on this button and wait for at least 10 to 20 minutes. Here, we have our character. Let's choose this model to use for image generation. Here, you can see that a description of our character is generated based on the image. Let's choose this action keyword. Click on the Generate button and wait for a few minutes. Here, we have the final output. These images look great and consistent. Let's try another keyword. And here, we have more consistent character images. So, you can follow this feature to generate consistent character images. Let's discuss its AI video tool by clicking on this button. Here we have 2 options for video generation, from text to video and image to video. First, we will test its image to video model. Here we have 3 video models: Standard, Kling 1.5, and Hailuo. First, we will choose this standard model. Let's choose the image. You can use this end frame option to generate consistent scenes. You can increase or decrease the motion strength, but I will go with the default. You can generate a video of up to 10 seconds duration. Let's choose the 5-second duration and click on this Generate button. Wait for a couple of minutes to get the result. Here we have the final output. This video looks quite impressive. There is no character morphing and distortion. The background also remains consistent. Let's generate another video. This time, I will choose this Kling 1.5 model. Also, I will replace the image. Keep all the settings the same and click on this Generate button. Here we have the final output. This video looks great in terms of camera movement. Let's choose this Stylar AI model and upload the image. Here we have the final generation. This video looks amazing in terms of motion and character consistency. Look at the monster behind the boy. That looks realistic. Let's try its text-to-video feature. Choose the standard model. Copy the text prompt. And paste it here. Adjust the text prompt. Choose the landscape aspect ratio. By keeping all other settings the same, click on this Generate button and wait for a couple of minutes. Here we have the output. This generation looks quite impressive. No morphing or distortion in it. Let's copy this prompt text and paste it here. I will keep the model to standard to check its character consistency. This time, I will choose the duration to 10 seconds and click on this Generate button. Here we have the final output. This video looks amazing. The character looks similar to the first video without any creepiness. Let's try another text prompt. This time, I will change the video model to Kling 1.5. Choose the duration to 5 seconds and click on this Generate button. You can observe that the backpack of this boy is missing, but the character motion looks perfect. Let's try the same text prompt with the Stylar model. Here we have the final output. This video looks perfect in terms of motion and character consistency. Comparing both the models side by side, which one performed well? Share your thoughts in the comment box. By repeating this procedure for all the scenes, here we have the final generations. So, what do you think about these generations? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. That's all for today's video. Make sure to like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you soon with more exciting content.